What's up, guys? So sorry I haven't posted anything in a very long time. Kind of was over drifting a little bit with my car, but we're out here at a straight line air drift event at our track at Raceway Park of the Midlands. It's about 15 minutes outside of Omaha, Nebraska. I have a new car. Zoom to that quick. So of course it's 350Z. It's a pretty easy choice. It just makes sense. It's simple. I don't have to worry about crazy engine stuff. Just put oil in it, keep oil in it, and drive. But we're out here. I've turned a few laps already. It's kind of nerve-wracking because the car is on stock suspension as far as shocks. The only thing I have suspension-wise is some ISR camber arms, which help a lot because I can get zero camber out of it and try to grip it up a little bit more. I have the GK Tech roll center correction kit, and that's helping some, but again, I think it would help me beneficially if I got GK Tech lower control arms. They help out a lot. They give you a little bit more angle. You can get some camber out of them, and then you can pair it with some upper control arms too to even get more camber. But we're out here. Just letting the engine cool off. There's the GK Tech kit. It's very simple. Stock everything on the inside, minus the steering wheel. Obviously you have to have that and a shift knob. I do have an NRG Prisma Ultra seat coming. It's going to be here mid-July. They were back ordered, so I had to wait forever. Fire extinguisher, radio. Have to have a radio, it's essential. And then just some stock wheels in the back. Sorry about the wind, I'm sure it's going to be absolutely terrible. But yeah. We're gonna stop for lunch. We're kind of hanging out, and when I go back in, I will bring you guys with me, and we'll get some. Ooh, the lighting's bad. We'll get some passes with the car. So we'll see you guys in a bit. All right, guys. So it's after lunch now. Man, my hair is rough. It's after lunch. We got some fresh tires back on the car. Again, some stockies, but we're gonna go out now. We're running the back section, which is really fun. But the best part of the whole track being a road course, and it's a 2-mile track, is you can get about 80 mile an hour to 70 mile an hour, or 80 to 90 mile an hour entries on the front section. It's huge. It's a lot of fun. And then right before that, you run like an S section with a big sweeper at the end. It's a lot of fun. So Rachel's gonna film, and we'll be out there. I'm letting my car cool off for a second, but next time you guys see us, we'll be in grid, ready to go. So let's get to it. Oh. Not trying to get copyright striked. All right, so we just got back running with Rachel. We got some killer runs. I don't know if it'll show them on track. I did have one mess up I think Rachel got, but I'll probably just edit it out. No, no, I'm just kidding. I want to show you my progression. This car is bone stock, so it's kind of a challenge to drive, but I think it's good to have it on YouTube and show. I'm sure there's other people, but at least from my experiences, we'll show what it's like with stock suspension and everything. All right, guys. Right now we're going to be riding with my friend Carson. He's got a VH45 V8 240SX hatch. He did this swap this past winter. You can see the huge intake manifold sticking out right there, but we're going on track now, and I'll record a couple laps for you once we get going, so stay tuned. This is his first event with this car and he's killing it. Everybody spins it first, but that's how you learn. Alright guys, so I probably didn't get as many runs as I should have. I apologize for that. But the day is done. Everybody's cars survived. Austin right there. He's his diff bushing in the back, in the subframe popped out, so I'm letting him use my Bell Raceworks diff brace so we can skip her on home. But yeah, it was a great day. I learned a lot. And the car held up. Carson's car held up. He did have a little bit of oil shit on his dipstick, but that's like typical V8 things. But overall, it was a great day. The bumper did get, sadly the bumper did get screwed up. It ripped pretty hard from here out. Got the turn signals still zip tied on. Got self tappers holding the plate on. Not the prettiest thing in the world, but does the job. The car did great though. Oil temps were fine, coolant was fine all day. Towards the end I was hot lapping a little bit and it got a little warm, but it was great. Stock engine, stock cars are so great. I cannot express this enough. Before, you guys know I had that 240. Sadly I don't have any driving footage of that, but that car is so reliable. And the Z is taking it the same exact way. It's just, it's so nice. But we're just finishing up here and then we're gonna go home. So yeah, I'll pick it up at home and then we'll outro it there. We made it home safe and sound. Some lug nuts were a little bit loose on the way there, or on the way home, and so I had to pull over and tighten those. We did make the drive of shame. The poor old drive of shame. I feel like anybody who owns a Z, comment down below, but I feel like anybody who owns a Z literally had to make this drive because your bumper ripped off when you went off track. But we're home. Ooh. We're home safe and sound. We're home safe and sound. And pretty soon, sometime this week, I will do an oil change again because this oil's got to be cooked by now. And we'll change. I'm gonna have to get some inner tie rods because mine are, again, cooked. They're awful. They're probably the factory ones, so that's expected. Huge shout out to Straight Line Air. That was one of the greatest events I've been at. Granted, my car wasn't up to par in my eyes, but great event. Lots of seat time. The longest I had to wait to go for a pass was, I don't know, 10 minutes maybe, and that was like once or twice. Every other time, 1 or 2 minutes you're sent. So it was a great event. The bumper is about the only thing that got damaged. My front bumper got scratched pretty wild. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but there's a lot of tall weeds and they scratched my bumper pretty good. But I'm gonna run the HeliArc Hustler front bash bar, so I'll only use this top part of the bumper anyway, so I'm not really worried about the scratches below that line. But yeah, I just wanted to film this outro quick and let you guys know I made it home. And we'll be working on this and my daily. I also got a daily G35 sedan that we'll be working on a little bit, and I'll take you guys along for that. But thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. Leave a comment down below what you thought, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.